The production process in a motorcycle factory involves multiple stages, from raw materials to a finished motorcycle ready for the market. Here's a breakdown of the key stages. 1. Design and engineering. Engineers and designers create detailed blueprints, 3D models, and prototypes. Performance, aerodynamics, and safety are tested in simulations before production begins. 2. Raw material procurement. Essential materials like steel, aluminum, rubber, and plastic are sourced. Components such as engines, electronics, and tires may be manufactured in-house or supplied by vendors. 3. Frame manufacturing. The motorcycle's frame is constructed using welding and molding techniques. Frames are coated with rust-resistant materials and painted. 4. Engine assembly. Engine components like the cylinder block, pistons, and crankshaft are machined and assembled. Engines are tested separately for performance and efficiency. 5. Chassis and suspension assembly. The chassis, front fork, rear swing arm, and suspension system are installed. Components are checked for alignment and fit. 6. Electrical and electronic system installation. Wiring harnesses, batteries, lighting, and digital displays are integrated. Electronic components like fuel injection systems, ABS, and ACU are programmed. 7. Fuel and exhaust system installation. The fuel tank, fuel lines, and exhaust system are installed. Emission control and fuel efficiency are tested. 8. Final assembly. Wheels, brakes, seats, handlebars, and body panels are attached. Quality control ensures all components fit correctly. 9. Painting and finishing. The motorcycle is painted with high-quality coatings. Decals and branding elements are applied. 10. Quality control and testing. The motorcycle undergoes rigorous testing, including road tests, braking tests, and emission checks. Any defects are corrected before approval. 11. Packaging and shipping. The motorcycles are carefully packed for transportation. They are shipped to dealers and distributors for sale. Here's a detailed breakdown of each stage of the motorcycle production process. 1. Design and engineering. The process begins with market research to understand customer needs and industry trends. Designers create 3D CAD, computer-aided design models, to visualize the motorcycle structure. Engineers perform aerodynamic, structural, and safety simulations to optimize performance. A prototype is built and tested under real-world conditions before finalizing the design. 2. Raw material procurement. Raw materials such as steel, aluminum, plastic, rubber, and glass are sourced. Specialized components like electronics, fuel systems, and tires may be sourced from third-party suppliers. Quality control ensures that all materials meet industry safety and durability standards. 3. Frame manufacturing. Cutting and shaping. Steel or aluminum tubes are cut and shaped using robotic or manual processes. Welding and assembly. The frame parts are welded together, ensuring structural integrity. Coating and painting. The frame undergoes anti-corrosion treatment, followed by painting. 4. Engine assembly. Machining. Engine components like the cylinder block, pistons, crankshaft, and valves are precision machined. Assembly. Parts are assembled, including piston installation, camshaft timing, and lubrication system integration. Testing. The engine undergoes bench testing for power output, emissions, and fuel efficiency before final approval. 5. Chassis and suspension assembly. The main chassis is prepared by attaching the front fork and rear swing arm. Shock absorbers and suspension springs are installed and aligned to ensure optimal ride quality. Brake components, calipers, discs, and master cylinders are integrated. 6. Electrical and electronic system installation. Wiring harness. A complex network of electrical wires connects various components like headlights, indicators, and instrument panels. Battery installation. Batteries are tested and placed securely. Control units. Modern motorcycles have electronic control units ECU for functions like fuel injection, ABS, and traction control. 7. Fuel and exhaust system installation. The fuel tank is mounted, and fuel lines are connected to the engine. The exhaust system is installed, ensuring compliance with emission standards. Catalytic converters and mufflers are fitted to control noise and emissions. 8. Final assembly. Wheels and tires. Tires are mounted onto wheels and balanced for smooth performance. Handlebars, seats, and body panels. Ergonomic testing ensures comfort and usability. Braking system. Brake lines are connected, and fluids are filled and tested. 9. Painting and finishing. The motorcycle's body panels are painted using robotic spray systems for precision. Decals, branding, and protective coatings are applied. A final visual inspection is conducted to ensure perfect color matching and finish quality. 10. Quality control and testing. Static testing. Components are checked for fit, torque, and fluid levels. Rolling road test. The motorcycle is tested on a dynamometer to simulate real road conditions. Brake and suspension test ensures proper braking performance and suspension response. Noise and emission test. Compliance with government regulations is verified. 11. Packaging and shipping. Final inspection. A last check ensures there are no defects or missing parts. Protective packaging. The motorcycle is securely packed using foam, covers, and crates. Shipping. The motorcycles are loaded onto trucks, ships, or aircraft for delivery to dealers worldwide.